Hey folks, Johnny Escato, Third Hand Slots. I'm in the high limit room at the Yamava Casino here at San Manuel. And I'm with
Third Hand
in front of the Black Diamond Deluxe game. $200 in, $9 a spin. We'll put in 180, but you know, I might as well go to 200. So a couple tries here to see if we can get the lines to line up. Third Hand, hit that button. I'm trying to find what I'm trying to say here. All right.
You were saying something?
It wasn't very good. Yeah, me too. So it looks like we have 9 different lines. We want those 7s to line up. If we can get black diamonds, 3 of those to line up, then we're looking at something good. Those are any 7. Those don't work together. This does have that double nudge, so there's a nudge. Will it matter? No. Come on, Third Hand, let's get those black diamonds lining up. You're trying, try harder. There's one. All right, we got a little something. Okay, that all helps. Not quite. Come on, Black Diamond. All wins are happily accepted. Come on, another one of those. Not quite.
They gave us a token $30.
It's good to see. Happy to see it. Finish that up. Very nice. You want to get a string of some multipliers to line up. That would be helpful. Halfway through the money. Something. You're right. It's not much, but it's still good to see. Bar. All right. Win's a win. There we go. I need 3 of those. Oh, we want to get those multiplied 7s. There we go, a little something. $40.
Pretty decent, actually.
Nothing wrong with that. A little bit back helps keeps us going a little longer.
Are you saying playtime is something to the
yes, playtime. The more you're playing, the longer you're playing, the more chance you have something actually showing up. Mostly.
Especially if you had the same principle you started with. we didn't put anything else in.
Exactly.
$2.
Really? That's even possible? That's okay. There you go. Come on, there we go. Little 3 times something. 3 times $10. Come on, Black Diamond. Let's see that. Let's see that double nudge action. All right, last couple tries, folks. Still last couple tries. And now the last one. Oh, now 2 more last ones. Keep us hanging in there.
Nice one.
This is it. This is the wire, so to speak, and nothing. All right, well, we put in 200, walking away with 3, so lost 197, but not a complete wipeout. Pretty close, yes. Of course, we will try something else, and as always, we thank you for making time. Third Hand Slots. Take care. I'm here with
Third Hand.
and we're in front of the Dragon Cash machine. This is the Golden Century version. $300 in because Third Hand didn't have change. And we're going to do $12.50 a spin and see if we can get something to land. So Third Hand, hit the button.
We shall.
We want to get 3 of those flags. Rock and roll, that's the way to kick it off. Okay. Now let's see if something becomes of it.
Is already 25 bucks.
Yes. Let's see if something comes out of it all.
This is where fortunes are going to be made. Just watch it.
I'm watching. Thank you very much. Thank you. He's wild. We want to get those sunbursts to stop in here too. Nothing there. Come on. Nothing good. Mediocre. I just put the straw in my mouth with the paper on it. Now that was special. Well, that turned out to be nothing. All right, folks. Too busy sipping my drink.
Well, we're up $47.
Well, we are. I mean, it's still a win. It's still something better than a loss, but it would have been nice to see something on a nice first bonus like that. Okay. Now, can we do something else? Let's get the hold and spin. Three of those flags, 6 of the sunburst. Or the gentleman with the mustache, which is wild. Nothing there.
Check that.
20 bucks? No, 15. Just a guess. Come on, flags? No flags. Oh, the minor would be fantastic if we get a couple of those. That's $2,500 each. But it needs a few other frames. Nothing there. Oh, it's going the wrong way. The halfway mark there, Third Hand. See, that little one was good, but it wasn't enough. Come on now.
Wrongy.
That was something. Flag, 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 no flag. Joker, joker, joker. 4 more? No. Well, don't make it easy, do they?
Check that.
All right, last few tries here. Nothing on that one. That was a win. A little bit better. 30 bucks. But it wasn't a screen full of those. More plays. You never know when that nice punctuated, successful win's gonna happen.
Wronga.
Oh,
Check that.
okay, little wins, but they add up. They keep us going. Flags. Nope, I saw it whip by. A little something.
Wronga.
Again. We want to see a screen full of mustaches. All right, Third hand, we're getting down to the wire here. Last two chances. Is something going to happen? All right, last official one. We got a flavor saver.
Ready.
Tis a winner, but what will come of it? Nothing. All right, well, we gave it a try as always, folks. Thanks for making time. Third hand slots. Take care.